Welcome back. Today's quarantine special, we will be taking episodes 1's Rainbow Chop. And what are we going to make today, Eggerton? Art bread.
We are making bread.
We are going to be making a focaccia, and we're going to be using the rainbow ingredients that we created yesterday to make a beautiful artwork on top of our bread. If you want to save some time, you don't feel like making a bread that you need to rise twice, what can you make instead, Eggerton?
Rainbow pizza!
And if you don't want to make pizza, what else can you make, Eggerton?
Rainbow fried rice!
And Eggerton, can we make anything else with it?
Rainbow frittata!
So you don't have to make exactly what we're making, but this is a fun recipe to make focaccia and use your rainbow ingredients to make a beautiful mosaic. Mwah! Mwah!
Art bread.
Yeast, honey, flour, kosher salt, olive oil, butter, garlic cloves, some other sea salt. And then what do we have from yesterday, guys? Our rainbow veggies for when we decorate. Take 2.5 cups water and pour it into your bowl. Next, you take 2 tablespoons honey in your red bowl. No, I already got it, measured it out for you in the red bowl. Good. And you're gonna dip that in. Let it go in. Okay, ready? I'll help you spoon out the rest of that. Okay. And then next, you're gonna dump in your yeast. 1 packet of yeast. Dump it, bud. Just dump it. It's already cut. Good job. Now we're gonna whisk it. Thank you, Lila. Whisk, 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 whisk.
Good job. I can see it's getting creamy and bubbly. That means your yeast is working. Yes, it's so good. Mixy, mixy, mixy.
Next, we're gonna add 5 cups of flour. That's a lot of flour. Dump, 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 dump. And we're gonna add 1 big tablespoon Morton kosher salt. Good job. Then we're gonna mix it with our spatula. It's art bread.
Focaccia.
Focaccia.
It's art bread.
It's art bread.
It's focaccia.
Focaccia. Art bread.
Now, dump 4 tablespoons olive oil into a big bowl that will fit in your refrigerator. Then dump your dough in the bowl.
Flip it over.
I don't know how to do it.
Okay, it's okay. You pick it up and you flip it in the oil, okay? So that it's all covered in oil. Okay, like that. Good job.
Mommy, now
Good
I
job.
need to wash my hands.
Yeah, you can wash your hands after this, and we're gonna let that dough rise.
Now, you're gonna butter the pan. Take a big stick, wax on, wax off, wax on, wax off, until you butter the whole pan. This one is big pan. You can also divide dough into 2 little pans. 1, 2. My nose got butter on it. Now, you're gonna pour 1 more tablespoon olive oil each pan. If you wonder why so buttery, so olive oily, cause focaccia is so delicious. Delicious 1. Delicious 2. Eggerton no need to measure. Eggerton knows 1 tablespoon. Now, you take your fork. You're gonna fold it in. Deflate double down dough. Deflate with forks. Fold into ball. Mix, mix. Mix, mix. Mix, mix. Then, we're gonna dump it. Ready for rise number 2. Here we have our dough. Second rise time. The oven's preheating. You let it wait some more time. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock.
Using hands like a little kitty cat, you're going to paw the dough. That's right, you bread pokers. You have found your favorite bread. Poke, 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 poke.
Dump the oil.
Da da da. Da 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 da. Can you spread it around with your fingers? All around. Get it all.
Eggerton, help. Dip the oil on the other side. See oil here? Where oil there? Now wait with the salt. Sprinkle slowly. See mommy. Ready?
Art bread. We are making bread art today out of some very interesting dough with lots of butter and olive oil and adding in vegetables and herbs to make something special. Art bread.
We took the focaccia out of the oven. Magnifique. It's brown. It's gonna be crunchy. And now we're gonna take this is butter with a little bit of minced garlic. Remember our minced? Yeah. Gonna brush it. Yum, 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 yum.
Well, Egerton, now that the kids have been baked, we're gonna bake yours. You are quite the artist.
Thank you.
What inspired you? What was your medium?
I know medium. Big, strong.
No, medium is what materials did you use, Egerton?
I used vegetables and herbs like chive, rosemary, pepper, tomato.
And it's gonna go in the oven, Egerton?
Oh yeah.
Okay, here we go. Bake it 450 for how long, Egerton?
20 to 30 minutes. There are so many ways to enjoy focaccia. You can eat it on its own, with a salad, in a sandwich. So many options.
Art bread today.
It's Eggerton, parsley, oh parsley.